Hey, this is JD, and if I am going to show you this E flat minor 7 chord Sus2. That's what the screen's calling it. But I'm going to give you this passing that you can do to it too. All right. So what I'm doing, I'm playing an E flat minor. I'm playing an E flat minor bass chord here. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the G flat major on my right hand. So I have B flat, D flat, and G flat. And in my left hand, I'm playing E flat, B flat, E flat. So I'm gonna hit that, and then you will play a D flat major chord. The way you know you play a D flat major chord is I'm going to whole step back from my root to here. So my root is E flat, whole step back is D flat. All right, so G flat, and then D flat. Then I'm playing a G flat Sus2 chord over the same E flat. The chord in my right hand is G flat, A flat, and D flat. And then I'm just gonna drop my G flat to my F. So and you can play the E flat, B flat, E flat in your left hand if you want to. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.